and welcome to Troubleshoot with Kirill. Today I will measure my power cable to make sure it is not dangerous to connect to wall alternating current supply. Before I connect my amplifier or my effects pedal output to this power cable, I need to know is it working correctly. Easy way to measure it is to use my multimeter beep test here. First, I shall test is there short circuit inside the cable. This is easy. We do not want to hear beep. I touch every pin and touch the others. There should be no beep. Now I will test is there continuity to other end of the cable. Now I would like to hear beep. There is no beep. Is Kirill's meter working? Yes. Yes. Good. It's good that this came up. You have to be careful to press it very deep, that you will hear the beep. Next. Yes. And last one. Good. Now we know this power cable is safe to use. And now Kirill will have some coffee. Stay with Kirill and you will learn how to troubleshoot like real professional.
С чего начинается Родина?